Yes, you can grow yam from a store-bought yam head that's starting to sprout. Start by filling a container halfway with compost. Place the yam inside, with the head the part with small sprouts or eyes facing up. Cover it with more compost and water generously. Place the container somewhere it can get sunlight. I kept mine on a windowsill. After about 3 to 6 weeks, you'll notice shoots or vines called yam tendrils starting to grow and spread. Once they reach around 30 to 45 centimeters 1 to 1.5 feet in height, it's time to transplant. Growing yam in a container is a rewarding and space-efficient way to cultivate this nutritious root crop, especially for those with limited gardening space. Water regularly but avoid overwatering. The soil should be kept moist but not soggy. Yams are relatively drought-tolerant once established, but consistent moisture helps them develop healthy tubers. Every few weeks, you can add compost or a balanced organic fertilizer to support growth. Growing yam offers several valuable benefits, especially for home gardeners and urban growers. It allows you to cultivate a nutrient-rich staple crop that is high in fiber, vitamins, and complex carbohydrates, contributing to a healthy diet. Yams are also relatively low maintenance once established, making them suitable for both beginner and experienced gardeners. They can be grown in containers or small garden spaces, making them ideal for urban settings with limited land. Additionally, yam vines can be trained vertically, optimizing space and making the most out of compact areas. Plus, the process can be deeply rewarding, offering both physical activity and a connection to nature. The sprouting of yam signals that the tuber is entering a new growth phase, using its stored nutrients to produce shoots. Overall, yam sprouting is a natural biological response with both benefits and drawbacks, depending on whether the tuber is meant for growing or eating. To transplant, I'm moving mine into a bigger grow bag. You can also transplant directly into your garden soil. To transplant, dig a hole that fits the root ball from your container. Place the plant inside, cover with compost and water well. The growing period for yam typically ranges from 6 to 10 months. Once the leaves start to yellow and die back, it's a sign that the yams are ready for harvest. Carefully dig into the soil and lift the tubers without damaging them. Growing yam in containers allows for better control of soil quality, pest management, and harvesting convenience. With patience and care, you can enjoy a satisfying harvest right from your balcony, patio, or backyard. Home gardeners, this is your sign to try growing your own yam. It's a rewarding experience, and it all starts with what you already have in your kitchen. Leveling the compost around your yam plant helps create an even surface, ensuring that moisture is distributed uniformly and the roots have stable support. Gently spread the compost so it's not mounded to high or to low, keeping it loose to allow for proper air circulation and drainage. When watering the yam plant, aim for deep, consistent moisture without overwatering. And now, you'll notice fresh shoots beginning to emerge. These are a sign the tuber is actively preparing for growth. It's always fascinating to see how life pushes forward from what seems like just a root. Each sprout holds the promise of a full yam vine in the making. It's time to move your yam plant to a larger container. Position the yam plant still in its original container, inside the larger container where it will be transplanted. Begin filling the space around the smaller container with compost or soil, packing it gently but firmly. Once the surrounding space is filled, carefully lift out the smaller container. This will leave behind a perfectly shaped hole in the compost that matches the size and depth of the yam plant's root ball. You can now transplant the yam plant directly into the space, ensuring the roots are not cramped or planted too deep or too shallow. The goal is to give the tubers room to develop and prevent the roots from becoming cramped. At this stage, you're simply continuing the growth journey by offering more space and nutrients. Carefully loosen the soil around the plant to avoid damaging the roots. Then transfer it into a deeper, wider container filled with rich, well-draining soil. This transition encourages stronger root systems and supports healthier tuber formation. As the plant begins to grow, provide a trellis or stake for the vine to climb. Have you tried planting yam at home? Share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to EsteeLicious for more gardening tips and updates.